minute. Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Cause why not? Like, you already here, you already clicked on this video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I post another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Pinterest outfits. And I saw people doing this and I'm like, I got most of this stuff in my closet too, so I wanted to recreate it. So I recreated 5 looks and I hope y'all enjoy. I tried to recreate the outfits as close as possible, but of course I'm not gonna have literally everything the outfit has. So yeah, I think I recreated it super close and made it look good, like extra good. So comment down below which outfit you like the best, and before we get into the video, like it. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so these are the outfits I'm going to be picking. Your fighter. And I'm just going to go in my closet and try to pick out everything I see that reminds me of these looks. So yeah. Okay, outfit number 1. Graphic tee. Some simple. I'm starting out with some slight. And stacked leather leggings. And in the picture, she had a black Apple Watch on, but my Apple Watch is white, so I'm going to be using this. Shoes. Yeah. So yeah, first outfit. So as you can see, this is very similar. Very similar. This is cute. And she tucked in her shirt, like right here. So like, yeah. And to outfit 2. Okay, outfit number 2. Sweatpants, turtleneck kinda shirt, socks, and crop jacket. She also was wearing jewelry, so I'm going to wear this and a couple rings. I don't have no Nike shoes. I mean, I don't have no Air Force Ones the color, but I'm going to pair it with these because they like different colors. Yeah. Stacked sweatpants made by me, by the way. Get into it. Forgot to show y'all the purse. Yeah. This, yeah. Wait, show the skin. Yeah. This is definitely the look. Definitely. Get into it. Get into it. Definitely. Okay, outfit number 3. Huge huge, huge pants, and a huge shirt. I don't know if I should do that shirt or this shirt, but y'all will see which one I end up choosing. And she has on Jordan 1s again. Everybody on Pinterest be having Jordan 1s on, so yeah, I'm gonna pair it with this outfit. 3. These pants are huge. This is this shirt I decided to go with. Okay, outfit number 4. Bam. Bam. And bam. These shoes. Last but not least, outfit number 5. Same sweatshirt. Huge button down and a skirt. The skirt is supposed to be white, but I don't have a white skirt, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I don't have Nike socks, so bam, bam. Only white socks I got. And she's wearing Nike Air Force Ones, and I don't have those, so bam. Oh, also she has a purse. She has a purse and sunglasses, so I'm gonna wear these. And this purse. Damn, that look like a lot, but we gonna see. And I hope the blue pairs good with the white and the black. Yeah. Okay, this is all of the outfits. Let me know which one y'all like the best. Okay, that's all the outfits. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you liked all the looks, and I hope you try to recreate Pinterest outfits too. If you liked all the looks, like this video, comment on this video, and comment down below which outfit do y'all think looked the most like the picture, and then comment down below which outfit y'all like the most. Oh, if y'all like this video, tell me that you like this video, and I might do a part 2, because I have a whole bunch of clothes that is very similar to Pinterest outfits, so yeah. Also, follow me on Instagram, because why not? Like, y'all gonna be missing out on looks. Just follow me on Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram. So yeah, before you click off this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye.